Fl-aqwa tagħhom il-preparamenti sabiex is-sibt filgħaxija jittalla l-kunċert tal-orkestra tal-BBC li dis-sena se jkun qed joffri mużika mżewqa ta' ġeneru rock u pop. Wara il-kunċert Classic Rock Anthems wieħed se jkun jista' jgawdi mużika ta' artisti ta' fama bħal Rolling Stones, Queen, David Bowie, Prince, Lady Gaga, Coldplay, Beatles, Tina Turner, Elvis u oħrajn. Kanzunetti li se jitwaslu minn madwar 90 mużiċist. Net News kellem mad-direttur u l-producer ta' dan il-kunċert Tony Cherry li spjegalna dak li wieħed għandu jistenna minn dan l-ispettaklu.
I think every song that we're playing you will probably recognise and will want to sing. I know the Maltese are a very lovely and polite people and they'll be sitting down when we start, but I'm hoping that round about song 3 or 4 they're all on their feet. I think it's going to be fantastic, fun. I think it's just going to be great fun. The thing that we've done is every song that we're playing is a #1 hit, but it's a bit boring to just say, and here's another #1, here's another #1. So what we've also done is we're using the best-selling artist lists of all time to give the concert a little bit of structure.
Tony Cherry saħaq li għal din is-sena hemm numru ta' sorpriżi li ġew preparati.
Well, there is one little special thing that's happening that I think I could probably tell you about without spoiling too much. So we're doing a Pink Floyd number. We're doing Another Brick in the Wall. And if you remember, Another Brick in the Wall is all about kids being rebellious against teachers. And we're very fortunate that some of the kids from the performing arts schools in Malta are going to take part. So there will be 20, I think 9 is the youngest, 12 is the oldest, doing We Don't Need No Education. So, and I'm rehearsing with them this afternoon. So that's a little something in the middle there that is a bit of a surprise.
Din it-tielet sena li l-orkestra tal-BBC se tkun qed tagħti spettaklu f'pajjiżna u din se tkun l-ewwel darba li se jsir il-kunċert mingħajr ebda restrizzjonijiet tal-COVID. Bħalissa għaddejjin diskussjonijiet biex dan il-kunċert pa' snin passati ikun jista' jixxandar fuq ir-radju. Dan wara li s-sena li għaddiet ix-xandiera tar-radju ġiet segwita minn xejn inqas minn 15 miljun persuna.